If you want to check tweet activity on X, whether you still call it Twitter or not, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find your post analytics and how to read them. This is really useful if you want to understand what kind of content is getting attention, which posts are driving engagement, and how people are interacting with your tweets. If you find this helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your X account. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but for the clearest view of analytics, desktop is usually the easiest place to start. Once you're signed in, go to your profile by clicking Profile from the side menu or by selecting your account icon and opening your profile page. Now scroll through your posts and open the tweet that you want to check. Make sure you click on the exact post you're interested in, because analytics are shown per post. Once the tweet opens, look at the top right corner of the post and click the three dots menu. This gives you access to more options for that specific tweet. From the menu, choose View Post Analytics. You may see it represented with a bar chart icon, and that is the option you want. Clicking this opens the analytics panel for that tweet so you can review how it has performed. Inside the analytics view, you'll see the main activity metrics for the post. These usually include impressions, which tell you how many times the post was seen. You'll also see engagements, which show how many interactions the post received. Depending on the tweet, you may also see likes, replies, reposts, and profile visits. Each of these numbers helps you understand performance in a different way. Impressions tell you reach. Engagements tell you how active people were with the post. Likes show approval or interest. Replies show conversation. Reposts show how shareable the content was. And profile visits tell you whether the tweet encouraged people to check out your account. If you're trying to grow on X, this is one of the most important things you can do. Instead of guessing what works, you can look at your tweet activity and start identifying patterns. For example, you might notice that certain topics get more replies, or that posts with short, clear wording get more impressions. That kind of insight is incredibly valuable for improving future posts. If you don't see analytics right away, make sure you are checking the post itself and not just your profile overview. The analytics option only appears after you open an individual tweet. Also, keep in mind that newer posts may take a little time before all activity data fully updates. So to recap, log into X, go to Profile, open the post you want to review, click the three dots in the top right, select View Post Analytics, and then review the impressions, engagements, likes, replies, reposts, and profile visits. That's how you check tweet activity on X or Twitter in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.